Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So, if you're confused, I am too. I just came in from work and Michael told me before we go get the kids, I have to open up my birthday present on camera. I have no idea what's under this. So we're going to find out together. I'm kind of scared, we'll just put it that way, because I'm usually in control of all things purchase-wise. But let's rip this blanket off and see what we're working with. It looks like we've got different little parts. Oh, maybe that's boxes. I don't know. I'm very nervous, y'all. Oh, okay. So anyway, it is my birthday, or in a few days it's my birthday. But fingers crossed it's something I actually want. I can almost guarantee y'all it's either got something to do with the kitchen, gardening, painting, or reading. It better not be anything cleaning related. I'm just letting y'all know. I do clean a lot, but that's not what I want for my birthday. I am an awful gardener, but I am trying my hand at it. I cook all the time. I mean, obviously. I mean, have y'all met me? But, and then I love to read and I love to paint. I don't get to do those often enough, but maybe he'll say cut the video if I hit on. Maybe it's a new car. But alright, y'all, I'm stalling. Alright, y'all ready? Oh, it's just boxes. Alright. Oh, okay. Ninja Foodi, never stick. Let's see. Quart stock pot with glass lid. Oh, okay, so glass lid. I'm guessing if it says Ninja Foodi on it, it will go in my Foodi. But that's probably like the saute slow cook function. I mean, glass lid's cool because then you can see what's going on while it's in there. Look, knowing him, he may even have put it in this box. I mean, he knows better than that. But I wouldn't put him past him to get a box and then that not be what's really in it though. But, so this says 6.5 quart is what it says. Somewhere I thought I saw it. Yeah, 6.5 quart. I wonder if this will work in mine though. Mine's an 8 quart. We shall see. So never stick, cookware that never sticks, chips or flakes. Hey y'all, I'm just saying, I hope they send it to somebody like me to test the product before they say that on there, because I will for sure put that to the test. So, yep. Glass lid. Oh, I like the rim around it though. Alright, I'm okay. I'm here for that. And then, oh. Alright. This has nothing to do with my Ninja Foodi at all. So this is a pot to go on the stove. Yes. Alright. So it doesn't matter that it's not the same size. And he'll like this because he does the dishes most of the time, but it's dishwasher safe. It also says it's induction safe. So those of y'all that have the induction cooktops, I don't. But if you do, that's a pretty cool feature. And the induction cooktop just means that it doesn't heat up the thing. You have to have special pans and stuff for it. But pretty, huh? All right. Okay. We're good for that. Let's see what this one is. If we're going along the same lines, if I took a guess, because I like to be somebody that spoils things, I suppose, I would guess that this is the pot set, like the pan set or something that goes with it. You never know. I don't know. It could be like one ginormous broom also. You never know. I'm wondering, do y'all already see what it, does it say on the front what it is? Don't laugh at me if y'all are already looking at it says it on the front. Alright. Shark Ninja. We already have a little peek of some stuff there. Let's see. I'm a good guesser. So the company is Shark Ninja, but it does tell me right here on the top what is in here. So, Ninja Foodi chopper. So obviously, if y'all can see, I love my Ninja Foodi brand. But this is Express Chopper. It chops, mints, purees, does all of that. Little compact thing. We're going to have to see if this is any different than the one I have. It looks pretty similar. It's got the little pulse button and everything. Yeah, it's got the same little pulse button. I don't know. It might be a bigger size. We'll see. But a new little chopper thingy. My elbow's raw, y'all. And then this huge box. If you want to take a guess real quick, I already read the paper. But we'll just say one thing. I'm never wrong. So it does say that it's some pans. Let's see. Oh, come on. And I desperately need some new pans. I can tell y'all that. I still have, oh, let's see. All right, y'all don't judge when y'all see I'm still in my scrubs and everything. We did get to our t-shirts today, though. Oh, it's heavy. But I still have the same pans that my dad bought me. Yes, my dad. Let's see how long ago that was. That was a while ago. My red KitchenAid pans that I use all the time. My dad bought those for me as a Christmas present. So y'all can see that Michael is on the same path as just about everybody else that knows me. The fact that I spend about 80% of my life in the kitchen. Alright, now we're going to pull it out of this one. If anybody needs any boxes, let me know. I think we have a few. Alright, let's try this again. It's like vacuum sealed in there. Alright, we have a 10-piece set. We have an 8-inch frying pan. Do we have a picture on this side? Yes. So we have, that's probably our 8-inch frying pan. And we have a 10¼ inch frying pan. It's going to be that one. A 1½ quart saucepan with glass lid. That's that one. 2½ quart saucepan with lid. That's that one. And a 3-quart saute pan with glass lid. That's going to be that one. And then a 6½ quart stock pot with glass lid. That's that one. 30,000 never stick chip, or hold on, 30,000 degree Fahrenheit. How do you get 30,000? They take it to Mars? I don't know. I might be reading that wrong. I am upside down. It says oven safe up to 500 degrees. So tell me why this can go 500 degrees, this can go 30,000 degrees. But even heat for perfect results. That also depends a little bit on your stove. I like the sear. Pretty. I like my presents. He did good. I'll let y'all know how these work. We're going to wash them up and see what we're cooking for dinner tonight. But I'll let y'all know what we think of them after first use. But yay! Birthday present! Thank y'all for coming along and dealing with the weirdness of the covered blanket, not knowing what was underneath. So, as promised in the previous portion of this video, I said I would give a review after I've used these for a little bit and let you know what we think of them. So it's been about 2 months. Actually, it's been almost 3 since I got these pots. We have moved into our camper to try and conserve money, and just with all this COVID stuff going on, put me back into the position to be hands-on and still be able to be a nurse from home. We're still working through the kinks of what that means, but we agreed to try this more intense living style for us as a way to deal with the world around us, pretty much. But in doing that, we weren't able to save or bring all of our Ninja pots into the camper. So I brought them all in, and after about a week or two, I have figured out which ones I'm using the most, so the others went back into our storage shed, and that's where they'll stay. And I'm really trying to focus on, I know I can't do everything that I wish I could do in the kitchen and that I've been doing, but try and adapt to my environment. And what I found are the three that I'm using every day, or almost every day, at least 4 or 5 times a week. And the one I use the absolute most is this deep skillet. I think this is a 12, let's see if they say it. Oh, it says 3-quart. But it's induction safe. You see, it's gotten quite a bit of love in just the last 3 months, and I do wash them, so it's not dirt, it's just built up in things that, I mean, you could probably give me some tips to get it off, but it's not something that worries me. It says dishwasher safe. I don't have a dishwasher. They've not been run through the dishwasher, so I don't know how they hold up to that. But 3 months of pretty much daily use, and we have just about 2 or 3 little scratches in it. I do tend to use these, oh, here's one, these silicone style utensils for them. I don't use anything metal down in it, but 3 months, or about almost 3 months, and that's the number one thing we use. As far as boiler pot, I brought the mini one in, and I use that often, but when it came down to the fact that I needed the mini and the medium size, I decided to keep the medium size in because it can do the job of both, and the other one can't. So I use this one mostly for if I'm making veggies or some oatmeal or something. See, as you can see from the bottom, it's not quite as loved, but this is a 2.5 quart. Again, they're all induction safe, they're dishwasher safe. I don't have an induction stove, and I don't have a dishwasher, but they work perfectly fine on my gas range. One thing I have noticed, these handles are beautiful. They stay pretty cool to touch, so I can use them even when they've been on the stovetop for a little bit without burning my hand. The same for the handle, but these outer rims and these handles, not so much. They get hot just as quickly as all of this does. So you just got to be careful with that. I do like this. It does, this part, I'm not saying it doesn't get warm. It does get warm, and it's not something I want to hold on to without a pot holder. But I can quickly move it, stir something, put it back, or just cover it to bring up the temperature or something. What I will say, where is it at? There was a little spot on one of them that had like a little chip in the metal. I think it's just a kind of a manufacturing defect, and if it really bothered, this is a 6.5 quart, by the way. If it really bothered me, I would message them, and I'm sure that they would say, well, here's a shipping label, send it back. I don't know that for sure, but just knowing that I really love the Ninja brand, I feel like they have a good backing system behind them. But it's on the bottom of one of these. There's just like a little like blemish or something, like just something. I think it's really just a defect in it, and the reason I even noticed it is whenever I was washing them, I saw it and I thought it was chipping away, so I investigated further. But they're working beautifully. They don't, I'm trying to see if that, so really no scuff marks, no anything to them. They wash up very nice. They're easy to use. They're heavy, but not like Dutch oven heavy. They're not flimsy. They've been through a lot, and they work wonderful. And this even beat out whenever I was looking at what to pack to bring into the camper. I decided to go with these. They are non-stick and everything, over my KitchenAid. And I've had KitchenAid pots and pans and things for 15 plus years, so I do love KitchenAid. Like I have several things by them, and they're my usual go-to, but I'm falling in love with Ninja also, and they're just really good. So if I had to choose out of that whole, I know we got the whole set, but I would definitely rebuy any of it and all of it. But for sure, my first thing I would go with, if you're buying by yourself, the 3-quart deep dish. You can even, not that you would want to all the time, but you could even use this to replace this if you just had one. You just have the money to just buy one or something. Oh, the other thing is, these are domed lids. Y'all, sorry, it's got my fingerprints and stuff. They're domed, so it's not going to sit flat on there. You still have even a little more space, if you can tell, at the top instead of just those flat lids. The thing with that, though, is I notice when I'm storing them, I have to store them like this. I turn it upside down. This one doesn't quite lay in the bottom flat, but I can store them upside down and stack them all, and it works out really well for my space. Now this one, there's a space in my cabinet over here. I tuck it and it sits about like that. So they all fit in nicely. This pan doesn't go flush with it sitting there, but it works out beautifully. Hopefully y'all give them a try, or this video helps you make a decision on whether you want them or you don't. But as always, thank y'all for joining us. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.